Hello and welcome to a new series of videos here on the One-to-One IT Coaching Australia YouTube channel. And these videos are going to be on the three main AI tools. One will be Microsoft Copilot, two will be Gemini, and three will be ChatGPT. The first lot of videos that you're going to see are to do with Microsoft Copilot. And there'll be a series of 5 videos for you to follow. And the first one that we're going to concentrate on today is understanding what Microsoft Copilot is. In other words, understanding the foundation of Microsoft Copilot. So to do this, I'm going to start off with a presentation about Microsoft Copilot, what it is, what it does, and how to actually get into it. So let me share my screen with you. And I've got a little presentation here, which is called Understanding the Microsoft Copilot Foundation. So I'll just click on Present and then go to Presenter View. Oops, no, I'll change that. I'll go to Present and then Start Presentation. I'll just move myself a little bit down here. So we're going to learn about an exploration of the Microsoft Copilot and its features and its integration and access methods. So what is Copilot? Well, Copilot is like an AI assistant. And what it does, it improves productivity by automating tasks and providing suggestions that are intelligent. So it works with the Microsoft 365 package, and what it does, it allows users to work efficiently and to use AI effectively across a series of applications integrated with Microsoft Office 365. So what does it actually consist of? So it uses things like advanced AI algorithms. So the AI algorithms are used to understand what user intent is and provide relevant recommendations. So it is a really powerful and effective tool for enhancing productivity, particularly in a business environment. And there's automation of repetitive tasks. So what Copilot does is significantly reduces the time spent on very mundane activities, and what it allows businesses to do to actually focus on higher priority of work. And it enhances user experience. So it provides things like contextual assistance that adapts to the workflows in a business environment. So Microsoft 365 has what we call deep integration. So it allows to access and utilize data from various different applications. So the integration provides context-aware assistance. It enhances collaboration and sharing and productivity amongst tasks. So one of the advantages is that it has integration with other platforms, as I said. So looking at other AI assistants often operates independently of specific platforms, and it limits the actual ability for contextual support and automation across multiple applications, such as what Copilot does. And like I said before, it has deep integration with 365, particularly with things like Word, Excel, and Outlook, which we'll demonstrate to you in these series of videos. And it allows users to leverage insights into their documents and emails to make more informed decision making. And there's context-aware assistance. Machine learning algorithms is what Copilot uses to understand user behavior and context, and it provides relevant suggestions that improves the workflow and efficiency across tasks. And the automation of repetitive tasks. It reduces things like human error, allowing users to focus on higher value work that requires creativity and also things like critical thinking. So how do you use it effectively? So to get started, users can explore features through various platforms like the web, Windows, and Microsoft 365, and understand how Copilot leverages those capabilities for the productivity. So how do you assess 365? Well, the first thing that you need to do is to log into your Microsoft 365 account using your Microsoft 365 credentials, as you can see here. Now, how do you use it in Windows? So Copilot is embedded with the Windows applications, and you'll see that in our series of videos, like Word, Excel, and Outlook. So it ensures users can receive support without switching context. So it's actually built in when you actually see it. So the integration allows for quick access to helpful features, and it tailors the tools to the current task that is used in Word, Excel, and Outlook. And there's the contextual assistance. Copilot analyzes the task and provides relevant suggestions and automations in that tasks. So what are the benefits? Copilot provides tailored suggestions that are context aware, and it helps users to complete tasks a lot more efficiently. And limitations, other AI tools may offer basic automation or suggestions, but they often lack the deep integration that Copilot has with 365. And that's the important thing. Things like Google Gemini and ChatGPT don't have that integration with Office 365, and Copilot has that integration. So that basically is an overview of 365 and how to get started. So just giving you a little bit of a brief rundown. So when you actually open your computer, you can actually assess Copilot down on the taskbar through here, or you can actually assess it through Copilot, Microsoft365.com. And you can assess it in here. So there are two ways to do it, one on the taskbar and the other through here. So this is like the app, but when you go into Microsoft Word, as an example, you will see here that it's actually integrated into the actual product. Now, if you don't see it, what you need to do is to actually go to File and then go to, I think it's More or Options. I think it's Options. So if you've got a personal license, and if you go into File and Options, you should see it here. I've actually got a different sort of license, but if you've got a personal 365 license, it will actually appear here, somewhere under General, and you'll need to actually activate the Copilot, and you'll tick the box that's relevant. But the way to actually also fix that up when you don't actually see it is to go to File, More, Account, and use Update License if you don't actually see it. So you can see here I've got Word, Excel, Publisher, Outlook. I've got OneNote, Publisher, Access, and Copilot is there. But if you don't actually see it, just click on Update License, and that will allow it to populate to your current 365 license. You connect to the Microsoft 365 servers, and you should be able to see it in every single package that you've got under your 365 license. Okay, so that's just about it from our first video today. In our second video, we're going to actually look at something called Microsoft prompts for, or mastering prompts for productivity. And what I actually mean by that is to talk about how Copilot can actually be used properly. The first thing is the anatomy of a good prompt. Secondly, what's known as the grounding technique, then iterative prompting, and then a hands-on practice, which we'll show you in our next lesson. So until then, bye for now. And before I go, remember to hit the like button on our One-to-One IT Coaching Australia channel, and remember to subscribe as well. So until then, till I see you in our next video, bye for now.